5. A letter from your husband giving you permission to do the deed poll. Giving you permission to do the deed poll. So, that's something to know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a while now. It's gonna be short. Someone commissioned me to do this video because they're trying to figure out what to do, and since I'm here I thought, why not? Alright, a few months ago I got married and yay, congrats. So it's time to do a deed poll. I'm changing my name and I want to figure out how to do that. I know a bit about the process already, but fully me not understand, you know. I'm going to go to the RGD office because, as I said, running an errand here and figure out how to do it, and then from there I can advise you guys and you can come along with me for the process of exactly how we get that done. All right, let's go. A legal name change in Jamaica is known as a deed poll. A deed poll allows an individual to assume a new name and provides documentary evidence of that name change. Now, you can change your first name or your last name, or you can add names, rearrange, or if the spelling is off or anything like that, you can change your name. Please don't forget to get a ticket when you're going upstairs. This office specifically is the office in Mobay. Before doing anything upstairs, you have to get a ticket downstairs. Deed polls can be done by adults, so once you reach 18 you can do one, and for minors it can be done by their parents, whoever claims parental responsibility to that child. If you're overseas, it can be done as well. Hope you can hear me loud when I say this. The requirements are: 1, your birth certificate; 2, your marriage certificate; 3, your ID; 4, your husband's ID; and get this, 5, a letter from your husband giving you permission to do the deed poll. So that's something to know. Alright guys, I found out that the deed polls, it takes time depending on which service you want. So if you want an express service, it's going to be within 3 to 4 days. That's typically $7,500. If you're looking for a service that's for 7 to 10 days, that's around $6,000. And the regular service for 4 weeks, it's $5,000. For more information on deed polls, I will put the link to deed polls from RGD in the description. And thank you so much guys for always staying with me despite me not being so consistent here. And thank you, yourself, for making me do this video, especially within one day. I did this entire thing one day. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let anybody who wants to do a deed poll know how they get it done here in Jamaica. And yeah, okay, bye guys, this was fun. Let's do this again sometime.